Okay, it's like the third day of me doing the room, and the next part that I'm about to do is make the bed. As you can see, I already took the covers and pillows and everything that was on there. I just took it off, and I'm about to make the bed. Okay, I don't know about anybody else, but I like to use powder. Just light, yes. Anyways, I like to use powder on my bed just to kind of make it smell good or whatever. What's wrong, mama? What's the matter? Y'all probably gonna see me walk back and forth multiple times because I'm a perfectionist. I like both sides. Okay. Cussing. That's a big ass pillowcase. One more. Hey, Corey. Hey. Hey. So we got this finished. I don't even know what I'm gonna put up there just yet. But I don't know if I want to put. I don't know if I want to put. Like I'm gonna keep this picture. I'm gonna keep that picture where it's at. Like I want this one just up. Might go ahead and put what this look like right here. And then okay, now I'm about to show y'all how I got this, which is just contact paper, rose gold, which I got from Amazon. I just clean the wall off with some cleaning spray to make sure that it sticks. I think like all the way up here I saw people use the blow dryer to kind of make it stick a little bit more, so that's probably what I'm gonna do once I'm done and get it all up. So, okay, I just want to finish this part, maybe about right here where this shelf ends. Just making indents in the paper so I can remember what to cut. I'm not gonna have enough to even finish this. So now I'm thinking about changing the whole thing and just, yeah, that's probably what's gonna happen. Probably should have followed my first plan and used this for something else in the first place. Now I have these, which I'm probably gonna end up using this one since it's more. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to use this one since it's more. And I might just use this one for my countertop. We'll see. We'll see. And this is how easy it peels off the wall. If you want like a real smooth cut and everything, I recommend getting one of those scalping knives from like Home Depot or wherever else they sell them. I know Home Depot have them. Right now, I'm just peeling the back part off, the adhesive part basically, and smoothing it down with my card. So from like far away, you can't really tell. You can't really tell that they got some pieces that's missing. I might come down. So now what I'm about to do is DIY this fur chair. This is actually a rug I got from Amazon. And we just literally, I haven't seen anybody else do it. So this is just my way of doing it. If y'all know a better way of doing it, let me know. But for right now, this is how we're going to do this. Got my needle and thread. First, you want to see exactly how. Basically, you're just gonna take the needle, stick it through here. I've been keeping y'all waiting for so long, but I'm finally done with my room. Okay, so this is the part that y'all been waiting for. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all see the room.